Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, auto-off headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.